ngizwe igama likaJonas sibukiseni ke nathi. Ngifuna ukuphawula nami ngiphawule ngalo Jonas.
Anithi ukuthula kancane. Anithi ukuthula kancane.
I've been going through social media. Keep out of man. Jonas Igima, you hear a lot of ladies angry. Jonas is a dog. What? Let me go find out who Jonas is. So this morning, I go and look at this series. And then, ladies, I understand why a lot of you are angry. Because, gents, if we are all honest, there's a lot of you who are exactly like Jonas. You build your life, you grow and achieve everything. And you betray the women that were there for you when you had nothing. And all due to the fact that you left self-control and self-discipline. Everything. And you are unable to heal the boy that was rejected and you chase after the cat. And then it costs a lot of you everything at the end. But ladies, you guys are not even free from all of this. A lot of you are busy acting like you are angry. Jonas is your type. A lot of you would line up to sleep with a man like Jonas. Even a lot of you, the best example of Kibot Ket Matlala. You find a man who is so immoral and you know that he has a wife. You pretend that you have a sisterhood online. You're talking about the girls, but a lot of you would sleep. But due to their men have money and their men are hyper successful. So because you know you would sleep with a guy like Jonas. A lot of you were aroused when you looked at that series. Jonas ki type alone, those dysfunctional men that sleep with every woman, but due to the fact that they have resources, you are able to overlook everything. Jonas is the embodiment of the society that we have, that men must have resources to be noticed, and then they start having a lot of options. And unfortunately, even for the guys, due to the fact that you know that, okay, I'm successful, but I have responsibilities. I have an oath that I've made to my wife. I need to uphold that oath. I must not cheat on my wife. But the reality of the story, Jonas is the result of the society that we live in. And if you find 10 black men who are successful, probably 7 of them are going to be exactly like Jonas. Some of them might not even be physical abusive, but they're going to cheat on you. Wow. So, on both sides, we need to do better. Majida and the women. Wow. As men, we need more self-control. We need more self-discipline. As Basadi, you need to pick better men. And busy, create a space for men to be cheating on their women and their wives. But le men, busy like sisterhood, girls.
Bafazi. I'm crashing out Bafazi. I'm right, Bafazi. Ngicela simshise uJonas, ngicela simshise uJonas. Yo. I'm having I'm crashing out. Tati 30 June. 30 June tati. Akahambi. Hi. Jonas. Jo.
Hi. Sanibonani bafazi. Sinengxaki lapha bethunana. Because why am I scrolling through TikTok and seeing people's videos saying when they must wake up and go watch uJonas? Hayibo, kanjani manje? Kanjani? Bewulinde ntoni kanti? You were supposed to finish uJonas izolo fast. Because namhlanje we wanna discuss.
Ngiyakhalela mina ngiyayithanda kusole ebumncane bami ukuthi ke phela ngishawe yona lento okuthiwa ke manje umuntu unamahloni leyo nto kodwa wena osalayo ngiyayikhalela futhi ngiyayi.
I don't understand people who hate Jonas from the Netflix series Polygamist because I bought you a house, a car, flowers. I am the table at this point, so I have free will. What did you bring to the table? Even if you leave, nothing will change. Because look at the type of man your mother chose. Exactly.
I don't like cheats. Bukan kanyam trickery shagile manje. Trickery shagile kanyamba uyaxolisa manje uxolisa ntengo 2023. Phela bafana na usophinda ungacheat. Mase buchithile ukubamba shiya ke shiya. Ipiece vele kade iyathutha nje.
Bafaz, yesterday I spent the whole day watching that series with The Polygamist, and I just was phansi ndingathethe guys because kukhona into that stood out for me, and I think I've experienced that in one of the past relationships I had. With exes, I'm 3 guys, and I only have 3 exes. And not many exes means, but I only have 3 exes. No jokes. It's just that it's always different, like it's different events. But I think they think about counseling because we had all experienced Abantu Bafana no Jonas, just in different ways. But if there's one thing that stood out for me, was the fact that there's something wrong and I think I was smart enough to banibone, ne? And I feel like La series is packed with lessons. It's packed with so much information, and is that we should look out for class relationships. And it has in the sense, like everything oh, okay, this is what happened. But before that, when they get into there are so many red flags with relationships. It is ignored shy. I think Lennon did there's one thing that stood out for me. uJonas uhleli nje ufuna ukubekela hleni uhleli nje ufuna ukubhuqa noma kwenzeka ntoni. There's a scene apha uma Matiba asuka esibhedlela sokubeleka twins, and all he can think about uJonas ukuba makambekela hleni makubhekwe guys, like usuka esibhedlela wona ufuna undibheka wona usuka esibhedlela. And it's something that I've experienced, as I said, in my past, well, one of my past relationships, whereby noba ndiyagula guys, noba ndiyagula athi umuntu ayiguli yona, and not in a violent way, but ngendlela nje nice ba, you know. And guys, noba ndiyahambisa niyazi umuntu xa sohambisa like nje ufuna uhlale kufitshane nebathroom, nomuntu uyahambisa akayicingi laa nto uba kungathi uyabo kwensenze nise busy uyabo kube yilonto akayicingi lonto le, noba umuntu uyahambisa ufuna ibeke elahleni.
Guys, asomba believe ho khona mara ke no re fela hore like ho khona. I'm on Kurikimo episode 10. No, Kimo episode 10. Everyone know I had to take a break because Brazil is playing. Kera oro vele ho khona.
Yazi ngibuka episode 1 phela ngiyayiqala manje ukuyibuka because i-hype nje obade ngishilo yale Shandisi le ingenze ukuthi ngithi yazini let me subscribe ku Netflix ngiyibuke le mpahla iPolygamist. And sengibuka uJoyce manje episode 1, and already few minutes in kule episode 1 ngizibuza umbuzo wodwa ukuthi as abantu besimame nina ngempela itolerance yeni ihamba ifike ngaba
mama, get behind me. Get behind me, because angizothola abantu bengakunika ama-flowers akho. U-Esi guys was the fundamental of i-J&J. If u-Esi uthiwayengekho ngabe i-J&J ayikho kanjani na? It's because u-Esi was willing to give this man imali yokuya evarsity. That's when uJonas found uJoyce. Angeke sikuphikise ukuthi yes, ubaba kaJoyce was the one who
iPhone
gave
stopped charging.
his first big tender. You understand? But like, do you understand? I'm a sacrifices enziwe u-Esi because u-Esi naye was living a hard life ekazi eSoweto, but she was like thatha le mali and follow the dream. And mind you, this man wamziba for a good 8 years. Wathola emaphepheni ukuthi this man is now a married man. You understand? So without u-Esi guys, we wouldn't have J&J.
I just finished watching all seasons of The Polygamist on Netflix. Hey, you're going Pema. Hey, up Pema. Jai. And each season got worse. Each season, each episode, I mean, gets worse. Akwane Pema.
Let's be honest. We know that Jonasi is a madman, and I'm just in episode 10, so maybe we'll get more discovery as to why he's a lunatic. But please, I think all these women, they are really enabling this man, because look at this babe now. Well, I don't know what her name is because I'm in episode 10. I'm so sorry, forgive me. But Essie, sorry, her name is even there. Essie. She knew that he was married already. She still went. She got pregnant. She met the wife now. She accepted the lie that he lied. They are the ones enabling him. This is wife, Joyce. I'm sure she knew.
Guys,
andizondicela ba ingathi mayime kancinci kaJonas because esana ndifuna uyobukela so bad, but at the same time I'm scared that izondikhumbuza bayo.
motho o kgona go tsaya pelo ya gago o le mo South Africa a e tseye a ise kwa Ukraine.
Just finished The Polygamist and I've decided I'm not getting married. I am not getting married and I want to stay single. And I don't want to find myself with a Jonas. No. And I'm not getting married because what the fuck was that? I'm so traumatized in therapy because wow.
Jonas yo Jonasi bana Jonasi yo our Jonasi.
You need to be a fool to your husband. You need to be a fool to his antics. You need to be a fool to his pride. You need to be a fool to his ego. You need to be a fool to his childish attitude. You need
If I also live in The Polygamist, especially as a woman, Chomi Shiana Shiana utlo crasha out utlo kwata utlo riyo haitawuzedi.
Oh bafethu, after watching Polygamist, I'm worried ukuthi a lot of women trust ngeke isaba khona towards their men. Izothi indoda xa ithi ngisaya somewhere, uya somewhere phi funa ukwazi kuphi uyakhona, and phathi xa izonxiba into zegalo fathi ndiyodlala igolf xa bekutheni ngoba lo nanku uJonas enxiba into
hey akafebi Jonasi papa we entate fukuchanyana bro.
Guys, The Polygamist. I need Sunyat to come and confirm if people like Jonasi Gomora existed, because what the hell is that? What the hell is that? I don't want to spoil it for anyone.